Hi, this is Sean from Untitled Coins, and today we're going to go over our weekly coin buys. Some rare coins for you guys to see. So this week we picked up some nice graded coins. There's 4 different coins, but these coins are a lot better than you normally see. These are rare coins. We're going to go by one. Majority of stuff's going to be sent to CAC and hopefully get CAC stickers. And one of them is on our website already. So let's check them out. Our first coin we got is a nice, beautiful proof 1884 Indian cent. As I hit it in the light, you can see the nice, beautiful proof flash. Really no marks in the coin whatsoever. Almost a nice, flawless coin. And on the back, same thing. A little bit darker in the front, but again, look at, there's barely any marks in the coin. So it's a very nice proof Indian cent. And this one is an NGC proof 67 red brown. So very nice, very high grade proof Indian cent. I really like this one. Next one we have is the King of all Morgan dollars, 1893S. Nice original color. Usually when you get them graded from Pcgs, or even straight grade, they look like they have been lightly cleaned. And this one has beautiful, nice original color, as you can see. So it's a very nice coin. And this one is a PCGS VG8. So if you're looking for something to fill a hole, getting the King of Morgan dollars, you know, second to the 1895 proof, which is the best Morgan dollar to get. This is a nice coin. Like I said, usually they'll straight grade them VG8 and they look like they been cleaned. And this one is definitely original colored coin. So very nice. Next one we have is a beautiful, again, same year, just the Philadelphia Mint, 1893 Morgan dollar. Nice original luster. Hardly, the cheek is very clean on this one. Reverse is just as nice. Nice original mint luster. Nice white coin. And this one is a PCGS shield with the shield MS65. So very nice 1893 Morgan dollar. Very tough coin in MS65 grade. Next up is one of the key dates of Mercury Dimes. This is a 1921 D. Very nice original color with a little multicolored speckled toning on the bottom of the obverse. Nice clean face. Reverse, same thing. Very nice luster. A little bit of edge toning. And you can see a little bit the D mint mark. It's very small in the 21s, the D mint mark is. And this one is a very nice MS64 full bands with the older green label and a CAC. So very beautiful coin. Highly, highly collectible. I mean, I think cracking this out, it probably would be a 65. But I'll leave with the CAC sticker and let the next collector enjoy it, being an older green label holder. So very nice coin. Alright, so that's all I got for today. I just wanted to show you guys some the nicer coins we bought this week being graded. I know you normally don't see these type of coins in these kind of conditions. Always like and subscribe our videos for future videos, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Thank you.